Today we have with us Kiran. Kiran is now working with Ernst Young as a data scientist, right? And now one thing is official from 360 DigiTMG standpoint that our students are working in all the big four. What are the big fours? We have Ernst Young, PowerWaterhouseCoopers, and we have KPMG, right? We have our students working in all these, and we have Kiran, who is working with one of those big fours, which is Ernst and Young. Hello, and thank you so much for giving your time, Kiran.
Yes, Varun.
I'm extremely happy to see you once again. So, Kiran, the first question is, how do what was your journey like to get into this field of data science? From you thought about getting into this field to joining 360 DigiTMG to actually getting into this field. How was your journey? Can you please explain for our audience?
Yes, Varun. Thanks a lot. First of all, I am thanking to all 360 DigiTMG team, Varun. Today, I'm very, very, very happy. I'm in this position because of my brief, towards to data science, because of 360 DigiTMG only. I'm very, very happy. Thankful to you all for giving me this wonderful opportunity. So, coming to Barney, before to answer to your question, in front I have to say something according to our 360 technology. What I have to say is, when I started researching to good curriculum towards to data science, I'm very, very, very frightened a lot when I came to this, when I researching started. I very frightened because of this data science domain is the very, very huge domain. We know this concepts a lot. So before doing this, I do some research to some which training institutes is the best institutes. When I'm doing researching on that, I faced so many problems. I attended so many demo sessions, demo classes, so many training institutes. When I am, so I have researching while I'm doing research, I came to know that about 360 DigiTMG teaching about curriculum. It's a very, very good curriculum towards data science courses. So when my first session is with Sharad. I very, very happy when I listened that session because of when I listened that concept, I went into my BTech domain also. Yeah, is there. My domain is also is available here. Okay, I am in the good place. When I listened that first session, I decided, Barney, yes, this is the best institute. I am in the good place to learn this data science domain. So, coming to your question, Barney, so I have, even though I was a mechanical engineer, I can say data science is everywhere, where were all the fields all over the world. So I have researched in some places that got to know 360 DigiTMG teaching in data science is a very good curriculum of the data science courses. So after researching this, after listening the demo session, I have taken it. Then I got into data science concepts and even very good knowledge in a mechanical engineer. My thinking went into how these concepts can implement into the core field, which is mechanical engineers. That's how I came into this field. Especially 360 DigiTMG provides me a very good, and one more time I'm saying, very good curriculum that helped me a lot coming into this field. Yeah, nowadays this automation, smart manufacturing, my mechanical core domain is the upgrading. At that time when I am taking decided to take this course, my mechanical domain is going into this advanced manufacturing technologies. So my thinking, okay, my domain is there. I don't waste my domain as a data science field. I have decided, yeah, this is the very good place to enhance my skills, my domain. It not waste at all. So that's why I'm today in this position, but I'm very happy.
Wonderful, wonderful. So nice to know, Kiran. I'm really
Yes,
very
sir.
happy for you. And Kiran, the second question is
Yes.
to answer. I mean, I'll add a few more things. Now people are talking about generative, GPT model, generative AI stuff, and
Yes.
we have included that in our curriculum way back in 2020 itself. People are talking
Wow.
about GPT models now, right? So as part of our
Yes. Yes.
previous program, we have that. So I'm very, very happy that our curriculum is all state of the art. And second question is, Kiran, you have worked on a lot of projects while you have done internship with us, right? How did
Yes.
those things have helped you in getting a job? Can you throw some light on that?
Yes, a very good question, Barney. And I'm very happy to listen this about GPT is involving in our curriculum. Very happy to listen this. Uh, and also coming to your question, when I get the internship chance, I'm very happy because of I'm coming from the non-IT background. How can I improve my skills? Means the internship is the best base to move forward. This is one of the backbone to every non-IT background guys who are taking this course now. It's a wonderful opportunity. So coming to your point, when we will learn something, we have to implement into the real world. I have learned a lot of data science concepts on a basic data set. So that thing I want to know implemented into the real world. This 360DigiTMG provided me an internship that helped me a lot to implement the concepts. When I had learned the concepts to implement the real world, where can implement and solve the problems. This experience helped me a lot, so this is the bridge for me. This internship is a very good bridge to move forward. And one thing I have observed when I am doing this internship experience helped me a lot into the real time projects. Like when I'm doing that projects, I know that okay, this perspective we have to think like this domain. We need domain knowledge. All the whoever the data science aspirants are there, they will think like that. We are not coming under this domain. How we have to is we are capable to this data science like that. All every guys are thinking like that nowadays. But this is not the matter. This is the simple question all are saying. But according to myself, I can say that when we can do into the internship, definitely we can get that experience. Okay, this is the domain. We can research. Without research, we can research more about the domain. We don't know which domain like, and we know how real things are happening. So we know that the concepts, we know the things how to implement in the real time process that we can plan. We goes well. Ultimately, we're going get good results. So when I'm doing the internship, I did so many projects. I explored more. I had taken help yours and Sharat and all the 360 team helped me a lot to move myself in the to the limit of the sky. Bunny, voice is muted. Yes.
Okay, sorry about that. So the moment I come across these kind of statements that internship has really helped, sometimes I
Yes.
feel that we have to enforce it and make it mandatory for everyone who's undergoing the training. Right? Yes, absolutely. Well said, Kiran. And now, as we stand, there are 16 real world projects that we are working on. We are doing projects for Volvo trucks, right? We are doing projects for YCAT, and all these are a few of the projects which top-notch companies also crave, right? They also compete and they want to get a pie of that. But we are competing with the best of the companies in terms of advanced analytics, and hopefully will flourish. At this point of time, as we stand, 16 real world projects are going on in parallel. And
Oh, very nice.
thank you so much. I request every student so to please make best use of this opportunity if you just explain about the projects that we are handling, end to end, job will be yours. They will not even ask second question, right? You would get the job. So please be part of the internship, be active on the projects, and success will be at your doorstep. And Kiran, one final question. I know there are a lot of things that people have to do, a lot of sacrifices. I've seen you stay, overnight and late nights, and then work on a lot of pending tasks, pending activities, because it's all about research, right? And given this context, if you have to give one single, guidance to someone, only one single suggestion on what should they do to get into this field of data science, then what would that be, Kiran?
Yes, very, very nice question. Like another question. Okay. If you didn't ask also, I can ask. I have to say something to the new aspirants in the data science. So first of all, coming to my end, my good suggestion is practice makes you perfect. This is the first answer I have to say, first suggestion. And coming to this, until unless we cannot apply any practically, we can't remember those concepts. So I can say concentrate on the concepts. If you know the concepts in a better way, you can implement anywhere. I can say anywhere in the world. I mean, any business problem we can implement. If we cannot, if we can know the concepts, that is, if we can know the concepts, we can definitely, we are the sufficient person in the real-time projects. And one more thing I have to say to all the new aspirants is that without programming language, without Python skills, we can't able to become a good data scientist. This is the very important thing, guys. Programming skills is very important. If you know the programming skill, you are becoming a good data scientist. Domain knowledge is not the matter, because of definitely research. We have the business discussions will happen so much problem according to our problem statement, constraints, business objectives, according to our whatever the methodology we are following. We definitely, guys, we need the programming skills. We know we have to research. And one thing I have to say you all, please maintain consistency. Consistent, because of when I am taking this data science also, Bharani, Sharath, so many times in the training sessions also, this word is very important. If you lose the consistency, definitely will not remember the concepts. They are human beings, right? We need to nourish daily the concepts. But one more thing, our 360DigiTMG good curriculum is very important. These concepts only I am facing while I'm doing projects, while I'm building the models, while I'm learning the algorithms, new algorithms, while I'm researching also. This bridge helped me a lot, very useful. And one more thing, we have open sources, GitHub is there, Kaggle is there. Okay, we have to implement in the practical way. Then only we can familiar with this data science in this real world. We can face anything. If you are good in the programming, definitely you are the winner. I'm suggest that thing only.
Sure. Thank you so much, Kiran. So final takeaways from Kiran have been that you please be consistent, and whatever you're learning, put it into practice, right? And emphasis was on Python. So we actually teach you right from scratch how to install Python. From there we get started. So you certainly learn. And obviously, when you work on real world projects, you get the desired, experience. Thank you so much, Kiran, once again, and all the best. Hopefully,
thank you, Bharani. Thanks a lot.
Not hopefully, you will flourish in your career and you will go to newer heights. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks.
Bye. Take care.
Yeah.